For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Bastar region in Chhattisgarh is a tribal-dominated region. As of June 16th, the region has reported a mere 36 COVID-19 cases. Out of the 28 districts of Chhattisgarh, 3 have reported zero COVID-19 positive cases. These 3 districts fall in the tribal region of Bastar. These reports have raised the question of a stronger immunity among the Bastar tribals. Experts suggest the strong immunity can be a result of their food habits and lifestyle. The Bastar diet contains wild roots, vegetables, and mushrooms that are known to boost the human immune system.
We know that food habits of tribals in Bastar region have helped them keep their physical immunity strong in order to counter corona. However, so far this is limited to an assumption and a strong belief by all of us. This needs to be backed and established scientifically.
Sukma, Narayanpur and Bijapur are the 3 districts in Bastar which have not reported a coronavirus case so far. Kondaragaon and Dantewada are 2 districts in the Bastar region that have reported the first COVID-19 case during the second week of June. Experts believe 2 factors play a significant role in Bastar's low COVID-19 numbers. The first factor is the unique quarantine methods adopted by the forest dwellers to maintain social distancing. Secondly, their natural food and living habits could also contribute to the low COVID-19 numbers. Most people in the region consume root vegetables, fruits and vegetables as their staple diet. These 2 aspects can make their immunity level higher than city dwellers and people with more commercial diet.
Villagers of Bastar region who live in a staple diet of naturally grown roots and leafy vegetables, fruits and other minor forest producers had already learned the importance of quarantine well in time, apart from their natural way of maintaining social distancing.
Wild immunity could be the answer for the low cases of COVID-19 in Bastar. Tribals consume Boda fungus, soft basta of bamboo plants and futu variety of mushrooms. These food items provide nutrients like amino acids, vitamin C, iron and folic acid, which boost the immune system. These food items, along with forest vegetables, can go a long way in boosting the immunity. No research into the food habits of Bastar tribals has been done so far. The observations are anecdotal in nature.
Immunity theory of tribals through their wild food habits is not a hypothesis. It's real and cannot be dismissed, but requires a scientific study and investigation to back these beliefs. Besides, fungus Boda ground in wild and soft basta nodes of bamboo plants are known immunity enhancers.
Experts call for more research and studies into the eating habits of tribals and its impact on the immunity and health.